Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the yearly first look of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The host discusses a Samsung plan for a major design change with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. These changes include a wider outer screen and a thinner design when closed, making it a more functional and visually attractive device. Additionally, there is speculation that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 may feature a larger dual battery for improved battery life. The host expresses excitement about this potential design and improvement. Also, and mention Samsung effort to make their Galaxy XR handset official at the same Unpacked event, where the new folding phone are unveiled. However, the host is optimistic about Samsung plan for their next generation for folding phone, and the invite viewer to share their thought in the comment section. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe the channel.